Welcome to English Chats Daily.
Your daily partner for easy English conversations.
Hello, and welcome to English Chats Daily. My name is Eva.
And I'm George. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, welcome. This is a podcast for beginners. We speak slow and we speak clear to help you learn English.
That's right, there's no rush. Today we have a great topic. We are talking about the weather and the seasons.
The weather. It's a very common topic in English conversation, so this is very useful.
Exactly. Let's start with today's weather. Eva, how is the weather today where you are?
Today it is sunny. The sun is in the sky and it is bright. It is a beautiful day.
Oh, sunny. That sounds wonderful. Here it is sunny too. A perfect sunny day.
So our listeners can say, it is sunny. Let's say that together. It is sunny.
It is sunny. Very good. This is a great way to start talking about the weather.
Okay, so let's learn some more words for the weather. This will be our first section, common weather words.
A great idea. We already know sunny. What is another weather word, Eva?
Let's talk about rain. When water falls from the sky, we say it is raining.
Raining, yes. Or you can say it is a rainy day.
That's right. Let's practice. You can repeat after me. It is raining.
It is raining. Good job. So we have sunny and we have rainy.
Now let's talk about how we feel, the temperature. Sometimes it is hot.
Yes, hot. H-O-T. Hot. In the summer, it is often hot.
Exactly. So you can look outside and say, it is hot today.
Let's say it together. It is hot today.
Wonderful. Now, what is the opposite of hot, George?
The opposite of hot is cold. C-O-L-D. Cold.
Right. In winter, it is often cold. So we say, it is cold today.
Let's practice that one. Repeat after me. It is cold today.
It is cold today. Fantastic. You are doing so well.
So let's review our 4 words. We have sunny,
Rainy
hot,
and cold. These 4 words are very, very useful.
They are a great start, but there are more words we can learn. Let's learn a few more.
Okay, what's another common weather word, George?
A good one is cloudy. Sometimes the sun is hidden behind clouds.
Okay, George, now that we know some weather words, let's talk about the seasons.
Good idea. The seasons are the different parts of the year. There are 4 seasons.
4 seasons, that's right. The first season we can talk about is spring.
Spring. S-P-R-I-N-G. Spring. In spring, the weather is often warm. The flowers start to grow.
Yes, it's a very pretty season. Let's all say it. Spring.
Spring. Okay, what season comes after spring, Eva?
After spring, it is summer. S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer.
Ah, summer. In summer, the days are long and the weather is hot and sunny.
Many people go on vacation in the summer. Let's say the word together. Summer.
Summer. Great. So we have spring, then summer. What is next?
Next is autumn. A-U-T-U-M-N. Autumn. In America, many people also say fall.
That's right. Autumn or fall. In autumn, the leaves on the trees change color. They become red, yellow, and orange.
It is very beautiful. The weather in autumn is often cool. Let's practice the word. Autumn.
Autumn. Well done. And what is the last season, the 4th season?
The last season is winter. W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter.
Winter, yes. In winter, the weather is cold. It can be very, very cold. Sometimes it snows.
Yes, the days are short in winter. Let's say the word. Winter.
Winter. Excellent. So those are the 4 seasons. Let's say them all one more time.
Okay, I will say one and then you say the next one, George.
Sounds good.
Spring.
Summer.
Autumn.
Winter.
Great job, everyone. You are learning so much today.
Yes, you're doing great. Now for our last part. Let's talk about what weather or season we like.
Okay, this is a good way to share your opinion. George, what is your favorite season?
My favorite season, I think it is summer. Yes, I like summer.
You like summer. Why do you like summer?
I like summer because I like hot, sunny weather. I like going to the beach and swimming in the ocean.
That sounds lovely. So you say, I like summer. A very simple sentence.
Yes, listeners, you can try it. I like summer. What about you, Eva? What season do you like?
I like autumn. I think the cool weather is very nice, and the colors of the trees are so beautiful.
Ah, yes, autumn is very beautiful. So you say, I like autumn.
I do. Let's practice that sentence. I like autumn.
So our listeners can choose. Maybe you like winter. You can say, I like winter.
Or maybe you like spring with all the new flowers. You can say, I like spring.
Exactly. You can also talk about the weather you like. For example, Eva, do you like sunny weather or rainy weather?
That's a good question. I like both, but I think I like rainy days a little more. I like to be inside with a warm drink and a good book.
That sounds very relaxing. So you say, I like rainy days.
And you, George? You like summer, so I think you like sunny days.
You are correct. I love sunny days. I say, I like sunny days.
Let's practice those two sentences. Let's say it together. I like sunny days.
And now, I like rainy days.
Very good. You can also say, I like hot weather or I like cold weather.
That's right. There are many ways to say what you like. The most important thing is to practice.
Yes, and that brings us to the end of our episode today. You did a wonderful, wonderful job.
You learned so many useful words. You learned about sunny, rainy, hot, and cold weather.
And you learned the 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
Now, we have a small task for you. Your homework. Look outside your window.
Yes, how is the weather today? Try to say one sentence in English.
You can say, it is sunny today, or maybe it is raining.
Just one sentence. Practice speaking. It helps you build confidence.
That's all the time we have. Thank you so much for listening to English Chats Daily.
Keep practicing, and we will see you next time. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care.